This easy snow globe candle craft makes the most adorable Christmas centerpiece. I used a candle, a fillable jar ornament, a Christmas miniature, a fern stem with floral berries, white felt, and plaid fabric. Trace and cut out the jar lid shape onto the felt, creating 3 layers for the ornament. Add the felt into the inside of the ornament lid. Glue the miniature on top of the felt and replace the lid. Wrap the buffalo fabric around the candle and cut it to size. Glue the fabric in place and allow it to dry. Press the candle into the hole on top of the ornament. Add some fern and berries to the top. This would be a great centerpiece for your home office or classroom. It would also look great with your Christmas items on your mantle. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.